What you think, guys? Blue silk PLA. Not too bad. These seams are more pronounced on this one though. Looking pretty good though, everywhere else. See the seams. A little more pronounced on the silk. I also printed, I'm in the process of printing green now. This is another silk, giving it a whirl. Like I said, the seam's a little more pronounced, but not too bad. I'm warming the printer up right now to do the bottom. Stay tuned later, guys. I'll have all the pieces complete for the green. It's all the blue pieces now. We got 3 tops and